Hi everyone, this is Eric Ringer for MDF3, term 1311, and this is my week 1 reflection video. So let's get into the questions. What features did you add to your implicit intent to enhance over the default application for this intent? So I created here I have my app running, a show me the weather app, and this is my launcher. So let's go ahead and type in a zip code, and we're going to, when you hit display weather, it gives the option of the show me the weather, the intent of the implicit intent of show me the weather. Let's hit that again, and it does a 7-day forecast for the zip code that you entered in. So what I changed, and here I actually have the website up so we can kind of do a side-by-side comparison. So obviously I have the the images, and then it says the temperature, even though these two are different, but they're both San Francisco. It's just a different part of the city. And it just has, instead of just saying clear, it has the winds, and it just gives more details about wind and stuff. And then it also does the night, but I also added each one is a night. See, with this one, it just does tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday for the 7. So I added, besides the background color, but I added for each one. Each one has day and night. So I added that, and besides that, and just the wording about the wind conditions. So a little bit more detail. And then we can do another. Let's just do a different city, 0, and always. So that's just kind of, well, this is South San Francisco, but it's hoping to get different icons. But oh well, so that's that. So let's get back into the questions. How do you feel? Oh, what do you feel you haven't learned in Java that you know in Objective-C? I would have to say table views. I'd like to learn table views. We haven't gone over that. What would you have done differently if you could? Maybe make the app look. Added cities instead of zip codes. I just couldn't figure out how to get the cities to quite work, so I just had an easier time with the zip codes, and it was just faster. I didn't have a lot of time to work on this project, so the time I did have, I kind of had to manage my time wisely. There's a few things that could use more clarification. I think nothing much really. I think everything was pretty straightforward. Just maybe adding the being able to add the cities and stuff, but no, not really. So let's my thing is freezing up, but so let's just go over the code really quick. So weather by zip is my launcher, show me the weather is my app. I created a constants class, which just basically made it easier so that I can get all the JSON, all the names and everything in the right place, and then I could just call it in my main activity. Or actually, sorry, oh, so, oh, actually it's in my weather service class. So I created a weather service class. I have an internet check that checks whether or not it's connected to the internet. I created an array adapter that sorry, this Eclipse is just running slow on me. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it goes. All right, so I could call what I was saying earlier constants, and I could just do user provided zip code. So I just call it from the class so that they can get the API URL, and when they enter in the zip code, it just made it easier. And then in my I did a file management, and then my internet check. That's my main activity for the launcher. Oops. Go back to okay, there we go. Yes, I do an internet check. So if the internet is valid, if there is internet, then it can validate the intent, and then it goes. And it also does if they don't enter a correct 5-digit zip code. I have a method for that, and then if it is valid, it calls this method, and then it starts the service, and it handles the messenger, and then it shows the data for the 7-day forecast. So yeah, that's pretty much my app. Sorry, I'm a little all over the place. It's been a long week, and I haven't gotten a lot of sleep. So I'm a little all over the place. But happy Halloween, and hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you next week.